So this is the brand new iPhone 15 Pro and I just got mine today in the blue titanium colorway, so let's unbox this thing and see what it has to offer. Wow, so this phone is absolutely incredible. So the first thing that I can actually notice is that the mute switch is actually now replaced by the brand new action button. We have USB Type-C for charging and everything now, which has been switched from the lightning cable connector. And also the camera has a huge improvement. We can even zoom in a whole lot more now. So first, let's just start off by customizing the brand new action button. So this can actually be done right inside of settings. It's super easy to access, and here you can basically choose between a variety of different actions you want to trigger. For example, assault mode, focus mode, camera, the flashlight, and a whole lot more. For example, let me just confirm the flashlight for now. Now if we head home and if I hold down the action button, you can see the flashlight turns on and off. So that's actually a really cool feature, and I think a lot of people are actually going to love this. Since this phone is also now made up of titanium, the Backlash is really soft and smooth to feel, and I would really prefer this over the aluminum one we had last year. So now finally for the camera. So this time around for the camera system, we have got a major update. So the number one thing that everybody's just excited about is now we have the ability to zoom in a whole lot more for photos, just up to 15x. So that's actually not bad at all. And of course the image quality is also a whole lot better this time around. So you're just gonna get images that are way more clear and way more sharper. So of course, not complaining, that's amazing. So now let's move on to review the chipset for these guys. So for both the iPhone 15 Pro and for the 15 Pro Max, we have an updated chipset, where this year's being is the A17 Pro Bionic chip. So this new chip is going to bring a slight minor improvement to the phones now. So for example, your phone is just going to be a bit more faster and a bit more smoother. And also the main upgrade is for the GPU performance. So this year we have a 6-core GPU for this chip, whereas compared to last year's iPhone 14 Pro model, we had a 5-core GPU. But yeah, that's basically just gonna wrap up my whole unboxing and review of this phone. Let me know what color you guys are gonna get if you guys are going to pick this phone up. So just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.